Classic Italian tiramisu, a sweet indulgence from Italy. Subscribe and like for more irresistible recipes. Buongiorno. Welcome to our channel, where we're going to indulge in the authentic flavors of Italy. Today, we're thrilled to share with you the secrets of making a classic Italian tiramisu. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the sweetness of Italy. To create this delightful Italian tiramisu, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 24 ladyfingers, savoiardi, 1 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled 1/4 cup coffee liqueur, optional, 4 large egg yolks, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup mascarpone cheese, softened, 1½ cups heavy cream, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, cocoa powder. For dusting. Now, let's experience the sweetness of Italy. Step 1. In a shallow dish, combine the cooled brewed coffee and coffee liqueur. If using, dip each ladyfinger into the coffee mixture, coating them lightly. Set them aside. Step 2. In a large bowl, whisk together the egg yolks and granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and thick. Step 3. Add the softened mascarpone cheese and pure vanilla extract to the egg yolk mixture. Mix until well combined and creamy. Step 4. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. This will be the luscious mascarpone cream filling for the tiramisu. Step 5. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture, creating a smooth and airy cream. And there you have it, the preparation for our classic Italian tiramisu. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. We'll continue with the layering and assembly in part 2 of this tiramisu tutorial. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey to Italy. In part 2, we'll show you how to layer the tiramisu and achieve that perfect, irresistible dessert. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, grazie and happy baking!